Ah! Altcoins are nuking super hard right now. Just WTF is going on? Well, what we're seeing is not actually a news driven correction. There's been no big scary regulatory thing or any stuff like that. This is a technical correction with massively overheated markets starting to unwind. How much lower can the correction go, and should you be panicking right now? All of that and more in today's episode. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button, and click the bell to make sure you catch all of my videos. A big thank you as well to Prime XBT for sponsoring today's video. Now, Prime XBT, in case you're not familiar, is a Bitcoin first exchange. So you can trade a wide range of different markets using Bitcoin over on Prime XBT. They got crypto, they've got commodities, they've got indexes, all kinds of different stuff available for you to trade. They even offer a copy trading service, which allows you to basically trade along with the top traders over on Prime XBT and profit alongside of them. And as a special bonus, you can get up to a whopping 50% deposit bonus by using the code down below in the description and the link in the description when signing up for a new account. So if you are a trader, then definitely check that out. So let's talk about the freaking markets, man. Holy cows, or what's going on? When crypto dumps happen, they happen hard and they happen fast. This is exactly what is happening right now, and damn, the market just couldn't have waited a couple of more hours. I was right in the middle of making a video for you guys on this exact very damn topic of an impending altcoin market dump, and then halfway through editing that video, well, you guys know what happened. Anyway, I say this just to make sure to actually come over and follow me on Twitter, because yesterday I was posting this warning on Twitter that, you know, the markets are looking super overheated, that the RSI for the total altcoin market cap was massively overbought historically in an area that signals a pretty strong and deep correction could be coming. I'm not saying this for the clout purposes. I'm actually sorry I couldn't get the video out fast enough, the video version of, that tweet basically out fast enough for you guys. So I'm sure a lot of you guys missed that information. So if you're not following me on Twitter, definitely make sure to do that. I'm sharing a lot of stuff over there before it actually makes it into video format. In fact, I share a lot of stuff over there that never even makes it into video format. So, follow me along. A lot of great information over there like this, right? Like this kind of stuff. Anyway, this dip is why I'm always saying book in those profits. Take those profits, guys. You never know what's going to happen in the market tomorrow. Protect yourselves when you get those big pumps in your altcoins. And after such massive bull trends, big correction is usually pretty gosh darn inevitable. Seriously, the greed sentiment alone was kind of getting off the charts for altcoins. Look at all the celebs and stuff tweeting about crypto. But anyway, what you probably really want to know is, how deep can this dip go? Well, the short answer is that no one really knows for sure, right? We can only look at historical precedents and then, watch for an actual reversal bottom signal. But this correction is not being driven by some scary news cycle. Instead, it's actually a technical correction driven by basically a massively overheated market now starting to go through its natural corrective phase. A lot of the 2020 altcoin market corrections saw on average dips in the total altcoin market cap around 20 to 30%, meaning that some altcoins went down way more than that, but it hides the fact, like you have majors like Ethereum, they don't sell off as hard during this time. Like Ethereum's unlikely to do a 50 or 60 or 70% drop, but a lot of the smaller altcoins, 50, 60, 70, 80% drops on a lot of this stuff. I'm talking like the DeFi blue chips here, that could happen to those. All your random shit coins, like those are gonna go, potentially way, way down. Now, during the 2017 bull run, we saw 4 different altcoin sell-offs of over 50%, resulting in truly incredible dips across the board. These massive altcoin market corrections, they basically offer you your best chance to accumulate altcoins at cheaper prices. Remember, we sell when the market is green, we buy when the market is red. Right now, We want to look for confirmation of support. We want to look for those bullish reversals before rushing out, trying to catch falling knives, right? That's kind of what we are looking at right now, is a falling knife situation. And maybe the reversal will happen in a shorter amount of time than we might expect. But we are at this moment, though, maintaining the overall uptrend for the altcoin market. But you need to understand that the entire market cap of all altcoins basically doubled in value in 2 weeks, which is totally crazy. Massive, massive move for altcoins. Key areas of support for us we're watching right now, $486 billion. That's the total market cap of all altcoins, of $414 billion. Now, it's charting the total altcoin market cap is not perfect science by any means, but if we are going to see big retracements, and that's definitely where I've been looking at, that those kind of levels of retracements would fit in with the kind of big corrections we've seen this cycle already, around the 20 to 25% area. But one thing I want you to understand, the bull market is not over. This is not the end, right? We're not finished. Market corrections are normal, nice, necessary, and healthy events. They can be scary if you haven't experienced them before. Market corrections, though, they allow for the greed to settle down. They allow for a reset of all those overbought indicators. And most importantly, they allow you to buy that super hot altcoin you were so desperate to buy at the all-time high a few days ago. But human psychology being what it is, most people in the market will do it all wrong. They will buy that all-time high a few days ago, then they'll panic sell the bottom a few days later. Dips are for buying. It's that simple. We're still in a bull market here. Now, how long this market correction is going to last, well, that's anyone's guess. But most major altcoin market corrections last a few weeks at least. Right? Now, that does not mean that altcoins are going to go down the entire time. There's usually one, massive corrective period. Doesn't last a very long time. We go down, we find the bottom, and then altcoins actually start ranging. That's where you really get that nice time to accumulate before they go on, of course, to start making new highs a few weeks later. What we're seeing right now is just one wave of many more to come in the market. This is what happens. This is the nature, the dance of the markets, right? We get these massive rallies, followed by brutal corrections, followed by an accumulation phase, followed by a big rally, rinse and repeat, until we have a total blow-off top for the market, which is not anywhere near happening in my opinion. Anyway, your question for today: what altcoins are you looking to buy during this big market dip? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.